All right, I am here today doing an updated review of my TENS unit, something that has gotten me through last summer and will hopefully get me through this summer for my golf season with lower back pain, unfortunately, that I have now that I'm getting older. So I use this quite a bit, but you can use it on your neck, you can use it on your shoulders, your knees, your thighs, any joints. I use it mainly on my lower back. My wife uses it on her back as well. I lent it to my mom. She used it on her shoulder because she had shoulder pain, so she could do that. It does come with the one that looks just like this, where you place it, and I'll show you here in a second. Or you have the ones that are smaller, just like this, where you can clip it on. So let's take this out and show you how it works here. So it comes with the plastic sheet that you put on it to try and keep this part sticky here, and you can order extra pads if you need to. I would say, 10 to 12 times this will probably run out of stickiness and it won't stay where you want it. If you don't want to order pads, you can lay down if you'd like to, but the thing that I really like about it is that I'm able to wear it kind of while I'm doing whatever I'm doing that day. I'm a teacher, I'm moving around constantly, and when I have lower back pain, I like to be able to use this and I can put it on my back and still do everything that I need to do, which is great. So you can see it has the clips right there, and then on the back, so you just clip it on. Now it's not going anywhere. You see it clips right into place and you are ready to go. So again, it can go on your shoulders, on your neck, on your thighs, on your back, knees, whatever it is that you want to work out. And there's different modes that it has, so it could be more of a blaring jolt, I guess, if you will, and then more of a softer one, more of a fast-paced one. So whatever fits you, whatever you want to do. And in the app that you get, it'll tell you exactly what to do. It's very simple to use. Once you download the app, you can just turn this on. You can see the light turns blue, and now it will show up for Bluetooth on my phone on the app. So then I click connect to it, and then I connect to it. Now it's paired with my phone. Okay. Then it'll give you a bunch of different pictures, like your neck, your shoulders, your knees, your back, whatever it is. You just click which one you would like to work on. For me, like I said, it'd be lower back. And then it goes for about 20 minutes. And you can change the intensity. I believe it's from 1 to 20. I'm normally between 10 and 15. But as you get up there, closer to 20, I mean, you really feel it. Like, I'll be sitting here and all of a sudden it'll kind of jolt me a little bit. But it does feel very nice on your back. That's mainly where I use it. So when you are ready to use it, you just take it right off. You can see just how sticky that it is right there. Try to make sure not to, I'm not going to put it on right now. I just want to keep it as sticky as possible. But you just put it on the area that you need to get worked out, and then press start. Then you don't have to stay on the screen on your app on your phone. You can just go whatever else you want to do on your phone. It'll do its job for 20 minutes. If you want to go another 20 minutes, you can start a whole new cycle. Totally up to you. But you can order replacements of these pads online as well. Obviously, you don't have to buy a whole nother unit, which is nice that they sell those replacement pads. But this is something that has gotten me through the summer with wanting to golf as much as I possibly can. Try to not upset my back as much as I can. Obviously do stretches, but this is something that has helped me out too. Not to say that it's going to be a perfect thing that's going to help you out right away, but it is definitely something that I would recommend to anybody that has any back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain, whatever it is. This definitely has helped me, and I hope that it helps you. Thanks.